How to sign up and access PNC Bank's online banking. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how you can sign up and access PNC Bank's online banking. For that, you want to open up any web browser, then head over to pnc.com. Now, you want to tap on the sign on option. Here, if you already have an account, you can very easily access the online banking of PNC by entering the user ID. Once you have entered the user ID, go ahead and enter your password. Now tap on the login option. In case you have forgotten the user ID or password, tap on the link that says forgotten ID or password. If you are new to this and you want to sign up, tap on the enroll in online banking option. Once you click on this option, it will take you to this page. Here, you will have to follow 5 different steps in order to create your online banking account. The first step is to verify your identity information. So you want to select an ID type used to open or identify your PNC account. I'm going to select Social Security number. Then you will have to enter the information that you have selected. Once you have done that, the next step is account information. Here, you want to enter the PNC account number or personal debit card number. Go ahead and enter that as well. Now, the next step is to verify your information. For that, you want to select any of these options. You can either enter your PNC debit card PIN or your online access PIN or receive a one-time passcode sent to your phone. Select whichever option you want. If you select the PNC debit card PIN, go ahead and enter your PIN on this box over here. Then tap on the next option. Now, you will have to follow the on-screen prompts given on the next page as well. Once all the verification has been completed, your new online banking account will be successfully created. You can simply create a username and password after that. Then, to access your online banking account, simply enter your user ID and password and tap on the login option as previously shown. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.